Hey guys, Aussie Tricky here with you. I've got the 1350 Katinga kit in front of me here. So when I was building the Kronos one, I had some issues with photo etch that I had to open up holes and stuff, but it turned out I wasn't able to get it to work properly and I needed to buy another kit to replace some parts. So, which I've done. So I'm just seeing if there's anyone out there that needs some replacement parts for this particular one or the Kronos one, which is basically identical. So basically this piece here, I've taken out the base of this underneath here and this part of the bulb that sits on top of the spoon part, which is what I'd call it. I've used just those parts and that everything else is still there. So if anyone needs some replacement parts, I've got a kit here that is going to do nothing. If it's still here in 6 months, it's going in the trash. And I also bought replacement photo etch for it to replace what I had used, but it turned out I didn't need it, so I haven't even used that. That's the green strawberry photo etch kit for it. So I'm gonna let it go as a kit as it is. So if anyone's interested, as I said, needs spare parts, it's just missing a few parts. I don't know if I can show what I've taken off, or what I have taken off would have been on this sprue. But everything else except for that is all here. As I said, it's just the very front of it. I had to use a few pieces because the photo etch I couldn't get to work with the modifications I needed to make, so I bought it. So if anyone needs some spare parts or they want to try and keep bashing into some other kind of Klingon ship, there's a kit here that, as I said, is no good to me now. I've used what I needed. There's photo etch for it. So if anyone is after some parts, I'll let it go as a full kit. So I'll take any reasonable offers. So if you go in the About Me tab on the very home page, there's an email address where anyone can contact me if they don't want to leave comments on the videos and put in a offer for it. Because I work full-time, 50 hours a week, Monday to Friday, I can only get down to the mall on Saturdays and Sundays to post it out, and the post office at the mall is only open on Saturdays, so Saturdays is my only day to post it out. But as I said, any reasonable offer, if anyone's interested, just drop me a line through email or in the comments down below. So that'll be a wrap for this video, and thanks for watching.